Hello guys. So this will be the recap for the WordPress workshops. So this will be our final results of what we're going to do today. There will be like a home page, a blog page, where you can see all the blogs that you publish or post, and a about us page. It will be fairly simple. It will take only like few minutes to create. So we'll be guiding you step by step on how to create it. So I have my assistant, Frankie.
Hi, I'm Frankie.
So he'll be asking like a common Q&A. So to get these sessions to be more interactive. Okay.
Okay.
So before that, right, we actually will create a WP sandbox. So you can go to wpsandbox.net. But for now, it's kind of like blocked by my university Wi-Fi network. But in your home, you can go to this website and then just directly click the generate links button, and it will generate something like this. So click the links, you will get to here. If you have more questions, you can actually ask us, and then we'll teach you how to generate it as well. Okay, so let's get started.
Yay.
Yay. So in here, right, you can actually see we're introducing the UI of this page, this sandbox. So what is sandbox actually? This sandbox is actually a dashboard for you to create your WordPress website. So you can manage your posts, manage your pages. So pages like home, blog, about us. You can manage your posts, like all these posts, and manage your image, file, everything, all in one dashboard. Okay, let's get started. But before we actually jump start, the sandbox actually already make out a sample template for us. So you can see here, you already they will generate one hello world templates for you. So we don't want this, right? Definitely. So we'll do a bit of changes and then make it ours. Let's go back to sandbox. So the first things I'm going to do is that I'm going to, oh yeah, so let me introduce this. This is a post. This is where we will store this block, and then media, your image and music, of course, and all your pages about us and stuff. And then you can actually see all the comments inside your blog page as well. So everything is automatically done for you, so you don't have to worry about all the technical stuff. So let's go to appearance, themes, where you can import all the themes. So there's already like a default theme for you. So right now we are using this 2019. Oh, sorry. Now we are using this template. But if you want to change, we can actually change it here. So say I want to activate this. Let's activate, and then it's activated for this theme. When we refresh, we'll see another theme. Ta-da!
Oh, cool.
Yeah. It's very simple. So what WordPress, what we need to do is just edit all the content inside this, and the website will become ours. So let's. I don't actually want these themes. Let me add a new theme. Go to here, and then actually you can also upload your own theme. But for now, we make it simple. We search for themes. Uh, Personally, I like this template. So you can type NEVE, and then for you to actually use a theme, you need to install the theme on your WordPress. So installing right now. Installing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, installed.
Okay.
Nice. So we can actually activate it now, and we can see the changes directly. It's activating. So 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Oh, yeah.
So now let's make something. Let's make exactly the same thing as this website. Let's make a duplicate of this, right? So let's make our home page. So what I will do is that for us to add the page, we have to go to the page tab. We can actually see for all the pages that we have created. So the sample page is like this. This is a sample page. It's generated by WordPress, but we don't want that. We want to create our own. So what we can do is that see this button, add new. You can add a new page. adding new page. So yeah, so this is a dashboard for you to drag and drops and adding all your page contents. So let's create a home page. Go home. So what I'm going to do is that going to make a layout like this. So there'll be an image on the left and word on the right. So what can we do for layout? We can click this button, add block. Everything here, everything that you see horizontally is a block. So we can add a block. We want to have that layout, right? So we can go to layout elements. Just scroll down, layout element, columns. So you can choose all the layout like splitting equally, skew to the left. For now, we want to have this skew to the left one. So let's do this. Add this. You can see this. So you can see all this plus button is a placeholder. So you say if you want to add an image, you click this plus button and then choose for image. You can choose to upload directly from your laptop or open up media library or just directly inside the URL. For now, we're going to upload using from our own local machine. We can choose this, and while it's uploading, we can create the paragraph here. So it's literally paragraph. So yeah, I generated some of the texts. You can actually write by your own, but yeah. So why it's so slow to upload? Okay. So you can see like that, but it's not aligned, right? It's not aligned together, and it feels very weird when we publish it. But before we actually do changes, let us publish, and let us see the magic. Oh, it's the same. Okay. Oh, home, right? Is it home? Home. Yeah, here. Yay! See, we created our own home page. We want to create something like this, right? Let's do a bit changes to all the alignments. So alignment, how do we do the alignment? It's very simple. See this button? Just align centers. Yep. Although it's align center, but it's aligned vertically. What if I want to make it like align vertically? Horizontally or vertically?
Vertically.
Yeah, vertically. Yeah. Never mind.
Okay.
So what you can do is that you can't find any justify here, right? But while you click this, the outer, be very careful. Click the outer one. I cannot click. Which one? This one? This is. Yeah, this one, right? Yeah. This. Column. Oh, I still got this. Okay. Column. Directly click the column, the word itself. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can choose the change alignment to this one is mine. This. Right. Alignment to vertically align middle. I think it's aligned. Yeah.
I see.
So update it. Updating.
Okay.
And we can definitely see the changes.
Okay.
Let's do this. Do the same for the rest. We will create another block. Same thing, but this time skew to right. Very quick. You can add the image, upload different image. This one, and add a paragraph here. And then we do the same. Copy paste. Going to do the text aligned. But this one will try to text right, and then this one align to left, so it feels like balance. And then we can click this column here, and then vertically align middles. Yep. Is it aligned? Yep. So we can update. So we shall see the changes here. Okay. So it's very quick. It's just like few minutes. We already created a home page.
What is that? Home there?
This one, the title. Actually, this title is forced to added by WordPress itself. So see, if I remove this, what will happen, right? The title must be there, or else, right? You can see here. It will show
no
something
title.
like this, no title. So the title will be used for menus and other stuff. So you must add a title. But it looks very ugly, right? When you see that, it's like
Can we
very
hide
weird.
it?
So yeah, actually you can hide it. So there's a right tab here. Scroll down. You can see you can actually disable the title, so you can hide it.
Oh.
You can also disable for footer and header. Actually, for now, we disable title first. Okay, update it, and then we can see still here, but here, right, the title is like hidden.
Yeah.
But actually, you can. It feels very annoying to see like the spacing and the margin is not correct, right?
Yeah.
It feels like very weird here.
Yeah,
So,
too close.
Yeah, too close to each other. So what we can do is that we want to add a spacing. So we can click the plus button, scroll down, layout elements. You can see a spacer, literally a spacer. But it's downside though. What if I want? So what I can do is that I can click up. So it will change the order, and then we can probably adjust a bit of the size. This update, refresh. You can see the margin here. Yeah.
Alright.
Very clean, very nice. Feels very niche. Cool. So next will be we would like to create a. I will leave the blog for now first. We can do about us, right? We'll copy. We will do something exactly like this. Let's do it. So what I'll do is that we'll exactly follow the same steps to how to create a new page. You can click this, or you can directly click this. But for now, you can click this add new. Add new, and then do the same about us. Okay. So when we publish it, we cannot see any changes. We can see. Oh, okay. It added automatically. Smart. Okay. So now, right? But if I want to make this in the middle, right? Like this in the middle. So what can I do? We can't adjust anything to this title. You can see that we can't do anything with this title. So what I will do is that I will make a fake title. Yeah. So I disable this, and I make our own title. So we can see the heading. About us. Yeah. So we make our own text and symbols. Make it bold. Yeah, something like that. And then the next would be all these things. Copy this text, add a paragraph, paste text align centers. So you can see that when I click outside, I cannot see any plus button anymore. So why this happen? What can we do? Is that we can click this block, press enter, and then we'll go to the next block. So you can do that and then add a new block, paragraph, a second paragraph, and paste. The same thing. This. Oh, it's not the same, right? Copy, paste. Yeah. Enter. Go to the next block for our last paragraph. Like this. Ta-da. Okay. So we would like to add this small little line here. What we can do is that we can literally add a line by going to layout, and then there's a separator. So this will create a line. So click this and it will generate this line. So you can change the different styles, like is it a full line or just a little line. You can do it, you can change it by yourself. Well, now we use this. So the next would be we would like to add this header plus comment blocks heading. It's awesome theme. So align to the centers. Add a new block for these things. We can add columns. This time we want to split equally. So and then we can add an image. Upload this. It's quite bigger. So we can give it a name. Okay, we give it a name. And then we can do for the same for the right columns. Upload an image. Superhero. Okay. But this image is very huge, right? So what we can do is that we can adjust the image here. Probably like this is also the same for this. And then we would like to make it justify to center. So we can align to center like this. Align to center. Okay. So when we update, and then when we refresh, we will see that
Oh,
hey, it's very quick. Just like
yeah.
a few minutes, we create another page.
Yeah, it's like 10 minutes.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yeah, let's do the last part. Will be the blog. So we can, how do we create a blog? Is that we can go here. Also add a new page. Then we can do the same. Add a new blog. But now this blog page will be an empty page, and it will be controlled and inserted by all the posts. So for now we leave empty, but the name is named as blog. So we publish the page, publish it. So when we refresh it, right, you will see a blog here. But we click it now. For now, you won't see anything. Okay. For now, I want to tell WordPress that this is my blog page, and then I want WordPress to insert all my posts into this blog page. So how can we do that? Before we actually insert it, let us create some posts first. We go to posts, and then we can see all the posts currently here. We can add a new post. So we can add a new title, and then we can write something, this, and then we can publish the post first. Publish. Okay. So probably we can add more new posts by clicking this button, add new. Yeah, let's add a new post and publish. So now we have all the posts. Yep, we have all the posts here. So how can we tell WordPress that these are my posts, and then I want you to insert into my blog page? So what we can do is that we have to go to appearance here, customize. Appearance, customize. So when we go there, we will see another editor for us to customize our website. Actually, even here, right, you can adjust your layout, your containers. Like here's right. If you want it to be widened a bit, you can adjust a bit like this. If not, you can adjust like whatever you like. So these are customize the theme to become yours. So for now, we would like to add this. We would like to tell WordPress that this is our blog page, right? So we go here, home page setting, click, and then it says that our home page setting actually display our latest post. So if you click this, right, the home page here, when you click the logo, it will actually show all the posts here. But we do not want it to show in the home page. Rather, I want it to show in the blog page, and I want my home page to be my actual home page, not that. So what we can do, we can ask the WordPress to display a static page. So I will select my home page as my home, and then I can choose my post as blog, and it's that easy. When we publish, so we refresh, and then you will see. So now when I click this logo, it will show me my actual home page. So when I click my blog page, it will show all the blog page. So I can read more, go to my post, and then you can see all the posts. You can actually comment as well. Hello. You can post. Yeah, so you can see that. Okay, sure, nice. So, what do we miss out? Is there anything that we missed out?
yeah.
Which one?
Can we put about us
Oh,
at the right?
oh, okay. So, oh yeah, the sample page. Yeah. Also, we don't want to show the sample page, right? Also, we want to reorder the all the tab.
Yeah.
Here. Okay. So let's do that. We can go back to our main dashboard, the main dash, and then what we can do. So because it's here, and then we should go to appearance, menus. So by default, WordPress will insert whatever is the latest one. So we would like to create our own order and our own menu. So we can say probably menu one. So let's create a menu. After we created a menu, we can add our page. So say I want it the first one to be the blog, second one to be first one to be my home, second one to be blog, and then about us. I would like to leave out my sample page, so because I don't want to add it, right? So after you created all the pages, you can add this menu, add to menu, and then it become here. So when we save menu, right, and we go back, you will see,
Nothing happened.
yeah, why? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So when we added a new menu, because we can create a lot of different type of menu. So I want this menu to be my primary menu. So when I save menu and go back, refresh, you can see it actually working. Yeah, it becomes my primary menu. So you override the previous default one. You can even see the sample is go away. But I can show you tricks that we can do something like this. We can add this sample page, and then we would like to make it be like this. So it become sample page, become the subtitle about page. So we update, refresh, and then you can hover it. So you can actually categorize all your pages by using the themes. So you can do something like that, but for now I don't want this. So I can remove my page. Okay, save, reload. Yep. Okay, sure. But you might be wondering like, why do I have this weird header? I don't want people to see this weird header. That's because you are using your current Chrome. So if you copy this and then open a new one, paste it. So this is what actually what will people see is the actual fully functioning website. See all this. You can even see I just commented the thing, right?
Yeah.
So you can see that even the comment is here. So everything is handled for you. So we don't have to worry about anything. We just need to drag and drops, design a website, and then it works. Nice. Okay. So I think pretty much that is how you can create a simple WordPress website. They are like plugins, of course. So what does plugins do is that plugins actually enable you to have external functionality. So what does it mean? So let's say I want it to be like more customizable for me to design the website. I don't even want a theme. I don't want theme. I want to create my own theme. What can I do? So you can go to plugins, and then you can do some. You can search for Elementor. Yeah. So Elementor is a page builder that uh, that can enable you to drag and drop to create your pages. Remember just now how we create the pages? All the pages are in a templated mode. So if you want to make it very customized, that we do not want to follow the template, you can use Elementor to build the page, to make the page by using drag and drops. That is something that you can actually research after if you are interested. But for now, we can stick with all the themes and like that. I can actually show you like what if that is how easy we can change our themes. Just now we are using this, right? So if we are using this, we can activate. So when we activate and we refresh, you can see something like this. Oh, sorry, it's a different page. Okay, sure. It's not this. All right. Here, you can see it convert into another theme. Yeah. So everything is still the same. The content is still the same. By another design in just like 1 second. Everything changed. So you can make your own, like comments, everything, and you can change your theme in just 2 seconds. So that's how simple you can use WordPress to create a website. So, is there any questions? I think we haven't included the logo,
can we
right?
change our logo?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go to this page. Oh yeah, we haven't do our logo. So yeah, actually I don't like this theme. Let me change back to if because it's very thick. What this thing is. I don't know, it just doesn't suit my style. Okay. So we go back and then we can see it's still here. What if I want to edit things string, right? And then I don't want these titles. I want to have my own logos like this. My logos. And then what we can do is that we can go to appearance, also customize. Because I want to customize, become your own, right? Go to customize. And then here. So there will be a tab called header. So you can change logo, you can change your header color, you can even change your menu. For now, let's do the change logo. So I want my logo to be, say, this image. So I can upload my logos, select, and crop. There's a very sneaky eye here. And then you see the immediate changes. This will be a logo. There's some weird guy. Okay, so you can change your site title as well. Say, probably my site title is my first WordPress website. Okay, the tagline. The tagline is when people search about you, this is what will happen. So first website. So you want to make it very descriptive. And maybe it's very clear enough to let people know what is your website about. So you can show this, and then you can also choose a site icon. What is site icon? Site icon is all these things. This icon. So you can choose a site icon as well. Or just the same. Okay. So you can see there's a showcase here. So okay, let's publish and see the changes. Here. Okay. Yeah. It does immediate changes. There's a sneaky eye. There's an icon here. Your titles also. So when people hover it, you will see the very descriptive link tag, the text there. So yeah. Okay. So okay. I think pretty much that's it, right? So you might be wondering like, what's after this? Like, I already made all these things, but how can I deploy it? How could I let my friends know this is my website? So we'll be putting a YouTube links in our descriptions. So it's a step-by-step guideline on how can you use your own domain, say your name.com or aabb.com, and then host your website using that domain name. It's a very simple tutorial, so you can follow it, and I think you can start to create your own WordPress website or even your portfolio website, right, that you can show to your future employer. Okay, so I think that pretty much sum up everything that we were originally intended to cover on the workshops day, but unfortunately because of a lot of issues, so we couldn't do it. But we hope that this YouTube videos or these videos can help you much on how to create your own WordPress website. So there are tons of resources out there. So you can simply go to YouTube and then search for WordPress tutorials, and they are like a very good quality, better than us, but joking. There are a very good quality tutorials out there to let you explore by yourself. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask us. You can either comment down or send an email to us or go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/Sunway Tech Clubs. So this is our Facebook page. You can contact us. Probably I should cover these things. Yeah, this is us, and then you can send a message to us, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for paying attention to this video. So we hope we can hope we do help much on your WordPress journey.